It looks like a relic from the age of dinosaurs. Standing taller than most children, with a massive shoe-shaped bill and eyes that never blink. This is the Shoebill Stork. The shoebill doesn't move. It simply stares, unblinking, unsettling. Predators pass. Prey freezes. Its gaze alone feels prehistoric. Its beak is more like a weapon than a tool. Sharp edges, hook-tipped, and powerful enough to crush a lungfish or even a baby crocodile. When threatened or greeting another shoebill, it claps that monstrous bill. The sound echoes like a machine gun across the swamp. But its strangest habit? It hunts by becoming a statue. Hours can pass without a single movement until the sudden, violent strike. Hours pass. The bird doesn't move. Then, in a flash, its head slams down with terrifying force, jaws snapping shut on unsuspecting prey. From fish to frogs, even baby crocodiles, nothing escapes once trapped in that massive beak. Death comes in silence. That beak doesn't just catch, it crushes. Hooked edges tear, sharp ridges grind. It's a weapon built for brutality. It can remain still for 6 hours straight. Then in one sudden strike, the swamp statue turns assassin. Few hunters can kill by waiting. The shoebill proves that stillness itself can be a weapon. Patience is its superpower. Where others tire, the shoebill endures until hunger meets opportunity. Its stare unnerves even humans. Locals whisper that the shoebill sees straight through your soul. Two shoebills meet. The air erupts with clattering bill clops, like a burst of machine gun fire across the swamp. One shoebill rules miles of swamp. Rivals rarely fight. The machine gun clap is enough to declare dominance. The strike is so sudden, prey doesn't even realize it's dead. A single snap, and silence returns. Its design feels ancient. Massive bill, towering body, reptilian stillness, as if evolution forgot to update it. Paleontologists call it a living fossil. One glimpse, and it's easy to imagine this bird stalking swamps millions of years ago. In local legends, the shoebill is feared as a death omen, a bird that watches silently, waiting for life to end. When it kills, it doesn't rush. It tosses prey, repositions it, and only then swallows whole. Precision, not chaos. In its swamp kingdom, nothing challenges the shoebill. Patient, powerful, and perfectly evolved to rule the shallows. Unlike herons or storks, it doesn't wade actively. Silence itself is the shoebill's weapon. Its massive bill isn't just for show. It cuts, crushes, and carries, a Swiss Army knife of death. Most predators chase. The shoebill proves the deadliest hunter is the one who waits. Its unblinking gaze unnerves scientists too. Hours of observation, and still the bird refuses to move. Every culture that meets it invents stories. A bird that guards the border between life and death. There's no rush in its hunt. Patience makes the kill inevitable, and inevitability is terrifying. Even lions look away when stared at. But the shoebill? It stares through you, as if time itself has stopped. Its bill clatter isn't just sound, it's a declaration. This swamp belongs to me. Like a gargoyle guarding cathedrals, the shoebill guards the swamp. Silent, immovable, eternal. The shoebill is not just a bird. It's a memory of another age, a living fossil that hunts with silence, rules with stillness, and terrifies with its stare.